Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Equifax for credit-based underwriting readiness step by step clearly. Visit the Equifax website. Locate the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out your personal information in the provided fields. Enter your first and last name as it appears on your official documents. Provide your email address for correspondence. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, input your residential address, including your city, state, and zip code. Provide your date of birth for identity verification. Enter your social security number to further confirm your identity. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Scroll through the agreement and check the approval box. Click the Submit button to proceed with your registration. Check your email for a verification link sent by Equifax. Open the email and click on the verification link. You will be redirected to a confirmation page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for credit services. Familiarize yourself with the tools for credit monitoring. Access resources related to credit-based underwriting readiness. Make a note of any additional features that may be beneficial to you. Follow any further instructions provided by Equifax to enhance your account. Remember to keep your login information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.